Let us learn how to change case of matched portions in the replacement section. Backslash and lowercase u will uppercase only the next character. Backslash and uppercase u will uppercase all the following characters. Similarly, backslash and lowercase l will lowercase only the following character, and the uppercase version will lowercase all the following characters. By using backslash and lowercase e or uppercase e, you can stop case conversions. You can also use backslash and uppercase L or uppercase U to change further conversions. In other words, this will override the existing conversion. Let us see a few examples. Suppose I have an input with different number of words and I want to change only the starting character of these words to uppercase. So we need to match the start of the word. So we'll use the backslash and less than key for start of the word anchor. To match a lowercase alphabet character, we can use backslash and lowercase l. Note that this escape sequence will behave differently based on whether it is a search pattern or a replacement section. So once we have matched the starting character of each word, we can change the case in the replacement section. We need to change lowercase to uppercase. We can use backslash and either lowercase u or uppercase u because we are matching only a single character in the search pattern. And we can refer to that matched portion by using ampersand. Let's use a G flag to change all of these matches. So you get uppercase first character for all the starting characters of the words. Similarly, if you wanted to change the starting character of the words to lowercase, you can use start of the word anchor, use backslash and uppercase L to match a uppercase character, and in the replacement section, you can use backslash and lowercase l to change the matched character to lowercase. Here's one more example. Suppose I have words like these. So you have some alphabet characters, the underscore character, and then some more alphabet characters. We need to delete this underscore character and change this lowercase alphabet to uppercase. So let us use very magic mode and let us capture two lowercase alphabets separated by the underscore character. In the replacement section, this first match is kept as it is, and then the second match is changed to uppercase. And then we can use the G flag to change all such occurrences. Let's undo that. In fact, we can remove this capture group and instead we can use backslash ZS to change the start of the match. So this will no longer be needed and we have only one capture group to take care. So we'll get the same result. Next, let us see how to change all the characters to lowercase. So dot star will match all the characters and we can use backslash uppercase L to change all the matched characters to lowercase. So you can see all have been changed to lowercase. Let me undo that. This was the original input. Next, suppose we have words separated by a colon character. We want to change all these words to have uppercase as the first word character and rest of the word characters as lowercase. So let us use \a to match alphabets, either upper or lowercase, and can use the plus quantifier. In the replacement section, there are two ways to handle this problem. We need to uppercase the first character and lowercase all the remaining characters. So this particular sequence can be written either \u and \uppercase L, or you can write it as \uppercase L followed by backslash and lowercase u. So Vim will take care irrespective of the order in which you specify this, and then our matched portion. So basically, the first character of the matched portion will be given to backslash and lowercase u. Rest of them will be given to backslash and uppercase L. So now the first character of the words are uppercase and rest of the characters are in lowercase. A final example, we have words separated by colon. We want the first word to be all lowercase and second word to be all uppercase. So let us capture the two words. We'll use the very magic mode and \a followed by the plus quantifier, and we have a colon character. We can put it inside the capture group itself. It will not be affected by case conversion, and another \a plus quantifier. So we have captured words separated by colon. We want first word as all lowercase. So \uppercase L and first capture group, and the second capture group should be all uppercase, right? So \uppercase U and \2. So you can see first word is all lowercase and second word is all uppercase.